Why is it that when someone subscribes to your email list, they are unable to come into your list? Why is it that someone puts in their email, they put in their name, they want to subscribe to your list, but they fail? It's not possible for them to subscribe to your list. Okay, you are not able to receive these subscriptions into your list. It shows a problem. Okay, which means with your autoresponder meant to collect these emails, or your capture page tool, or your landing page tool, the sign up form, or the email list which you integrated, there is a problem with this email list. Okay, you need to go back to check your autoresponder if everything was set up well in your autoresponder, so that you can capture the name, capture the email of new subscribers. Okay, that's what we'll be looking today. Hello, my name is Kingsley Shu, and welcome to my video. Today we'll be looking at fixing the problem of sign up forms. Okay, people sign up to our email list, they are unable to get into our email list, or it shows error, it shows failure to subscribe, or they sign up, it goes, but you can't actually receive them into your email list, and your emails cannot be automatically sent to them. So today I'll be showing you how to fix this problem using Aweber autoresponder. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's just go into my computer right now, and I'll show you how to fix this problem using Aweber. Okay, hello, welcome back. Now we are in my computer. How to fix this problem using Aweber. Okay, obviously you've created a list, and you are having this problem. People are finding difficulties to sign up to your list, or they are signing up but you aren't receiving these sign-ups into your list because there's an error. Okay, with Aweber, the problem is you've not set up your sign-up form. Okay, maybe you're using a capture page tool or a landing page tool. Let's say, for example, ClickFunnels. Okay, maybe you've integrated Aweber into your ClickFunnels as your autoresponder. Okay, and people are signing up, but there's a problem. They can't actually sign up into your list. Okay, it's because you've not set up your list well. You've not set up the sign up form for your list very well. Okay, so you need to go back and you check if you've set up the sign up form well, because some people, they will create a list. As you see here, we have, like, I've just created this list like tutorial. Okay, and they will just go immediately to start creating messages or start sending out campaigns or follow-up series, but forgetting to create a sign-up form. Okay, they've integrated their autoresponder well into their landing page or capture page tool. Okay, but they forgot to create a sign-up form. Okay, if you don't create a sign-up form here, okay, it will be practically impossible for these new subscribers to get into your list, and no emails will be sent to them. Fine, they'll put in their emails, they'll put in their names, and they will click on sign up. Okay, maybe where they sign up, it's going to go actually, but it will not be able to come here. Okay, or maybe it will totally fail, it will not go at all. Okay, it's because you integrated your autoresponder, but you did not create a sign up form. I will repeat that again. You did not create a sign up form. Okay, so I must stress that it's very important. Once you create a list, this is a new list, you just created a list. The second thing you should do is to go create a sign up form. Don't forget, before you start creating a message, okay, you need to go create a sign up form. Okay, so now I just created this list. Okay, let me go now and create a sign up form, because if I don't create a sign up form, okay, people will be signing up to this list, and they'll be unable to come into my list using Aweber. I think for other services like GetResponse, okay, we have to look on that. I'll make a video about GetResponse, and I'll also be showing you how to fix these problems with GetResponse. But for now, let's just look at fixing this problem with Aweber. Okay, so you need to create a sign up form. Okay, so let's create a sign up form. Okay, so now this is the sign up form interface. The design, you choose which design you want, but basically Aweber, they give you various designs. So you can choose this one, you can choose this one, you can choose this one. They have various sign up forms available. Okay, choose this one, choose one, but basically you have a default. Okay, I usually like to use this default because it depends where I integrated my autoresponder. Okay, if you integrated your autoresponder with ClickFunnels, okay, automatically it's just going to have this basic or default sign up form. Okay, it's not going to show you've created your sign up form. It automatically comes, it's integrated. Okay, so thanks to technology, I don't know how they do it, but automatically we just have to leave this one. Okay, you create the name, create a custom field if you want, but I don't touch anything. Okay, I don't touch anything. I just use this basic one, create a sign up form. The most important is to create a sign up form. It does not matter which you want. Okay, choose any, but for me I just use this basic one. Okay, so you can touch it, you can play with it around, you can do anything you want. Okay, as you want, but I just like to leave it at this basic form. You save the form. It's very important. You save the form. Your web form has been saved. Okay, so it's very important to save the form. You go to step 2. Okay, now you want to name the sign up form. Okay, so for this tutorial purposes, I will just say, because the list I created just to show this, it's tutorial, so I'll just put for tutorial purposes tutorial. The name should be tutorial. Okay, you can put test, you can put anything you want. So I'll give it at the basic version. You can preview it. Okay, you can open this in a new window, but it's not important. Okay, you would not want to send your subscribers to a new window to put in their information. So just leave it like this. Already subscribed page, so basic version. So you save again the form. Okay, so that's it. Your form has been saved. You go to step 3. Okay, so here they say who will publish this form to your website. Okay, I will install my form. My web designer will install my form, use my form as a landing page. Okay, it depends where you're integrating your form. Okay, if you're integrating your form on a capture page tool on your website, it depends. Okay, so I always integrate my sign up forms with ClickFunnels. Okay, I use ClickFunnels to integrate my sign up forms. If I'm installing on my website, okay, I will have to get into one of these to integrate it on my website. Okay, if you are a web designer, okay, you can go into it. You can send an email to your web designer containing the HTML and instructions they need. Okay, so you would click here, and this HTML will go to your web designer, or if you're the web designer, you copy this HTML and you go and paste it in your website. Okay, so that's for websites. Okay, if you are integrating this sign up form into your website, if you're integrating it on landing pages or capture pages too, like ClickFunnels, like Kartra, there are so many out there. Okay, you can just leave it at this level. Okay, you just go back to your ClickFunnels and you see how to integrate. I've made videos on how to integrate autoresponders into your ClickFunnels. You can check my other videos and you see how to integrate your autoresponders to Aweber, how to integrate your email list to ClickFunnels. Okay, so since it's just for tutorial purposes, and I'll just leave it here. So our form has been created to our list. Okay, so now when people sign up to our list, they will be able to come into this list created. Okay, this tutorial list. Okay, and that's how the messages in the campaign or the follow-up series I've created will start going to them. Okay, they will be receiving our messages on a daily basis. It just depends on how I set up the campaign. Okay, that's how they'll be receiving the messages. But if, for example, we didn't create the sign up form, okay, they will sign up on our website. Okay, but they will not be able to come into our autoresponder list so that they can be receiving this email. So it's very important. So many people face these problems. I've had questions like, Kingsley, what happened? I'm not able to sign up people on my sign up form. It's a problem. So I just wanted to make this quick video so that I can fix this problem, show you how to fix this problem with Aweber. Okay, so that's just it. our form has been created, our sign up form has been created, and everything is ready to go. We can now go and start creating our campaigns, start creating our messages. Okay, so everything is set up, and that's it about this video. Hope you liked it, hoped it was value, and if you liked it, click on the like button below, click on the subscription button, and also click on the notification button so that you can receive new videos when I put them up, and see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.